Happy day students. In this video, we are going to start off with the new grammar concept, worksheet number 1. In this worksheet number 1, we are going to revise determiners, nouns, pronouns, and indefinite pronouns. Let's get into the topic. Before getting into the types of determiners, we should know what is meant by determiners. What is meant by a determiner? Determiners are words placed in front of a noun to make it clear what the noun refers to. Here we are going to discuss about articles, possessive pronouns, demonstratives, numerals, ordinals, and quantifiers. What is meant by a noun? We all know that nouns are nothing but the naming words. A noun may be the name of a person or a place or thing or an animal. So look at the examples given. What are the examples for a noun? Cat, fireman, house, pencil, Chicago. So the name of a person, place or things are called as nouns. Moving on to pronouns. What is meant by a pronoun? A word used in place of a noun is called as a pronoun. Say for example, Rajiv is studying in class 7. Rajiv is a good boy. What am I doing in this sentence? Yes, I am repeating the name Rajiv in each and every sentence. Is that needed? Definitely not. Instead, we can use a word to replace this noun. Those words are called as pronouns. Look at the examples of pronouns. He, she, it, they, you, and we. Now recall the same sentence which I have given before. Rajiv is studying in class 7 and he is a good boy. Instead of repeating his name, I am just replacing the noun with the pronoun. Moving on to the types of pronouns. What are all the pronouns that we have? Subject pronouns, object pronouns, possessive pronouns, and reflexive pronouns. Subject pronouns are nothing but I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they. It will explain the subject. Subject pronouns will give a clear idea about who is the doer of an action. That is none other than the subject. When we are moving to the object pronoun, the object pronouns are nothing other than me, you, him, her, it, and so on. When we are moving on to possessive pronoun represents the subject. What are they? Mine, yours, his, hers, ours. So it will denote the ownership. When coming for reflexive pronoun, the reflexive pronoun is none other than the subject and the object are same. Say for example, I myself completed my homework. She herself completed her homework. You yourself should complete all your household works. In such cases, we will be using the reflexive pronouns. So the types of pronouns includes subject, object, possessive pronouns, and reflexive pronouns. There is Another one pronoun called indefinite pronouns. What does mean by indefinite pronouns? From the name indefinite itself, we understand that the pronouns do not refer to any specific person or thing. Indefinite pronouns are those referring to one or more unspecified objects, beings, or places. I repeat, an indefinite pronoun is a pronoun that does not refer to a specific person, place, thing, or idea. In order to get a clear-cut idea about indefinite pronouns, we can easily say that indefinite pronouns are compound words. What is meant by compound words? Combination of two words, right? So compound words like some, any, no, and every. Now you can easily remember that some. Add some words with some, someone, somebody, something, and somewhere. When we are talking about any, what all the words can be added to it? When you are representing the people, anyone or anybody. When you are representing the things, anything. When you are representing the places, it is none other than anywhere. It represents the place, right? When we are moving to the word no, how can you add the words to no? No one, nobody, nothing, and nowhere. In the same way, we are adding some words to every, everyone, everybody, everything, and everywhere. In this way, indefinite pronoun works. Now, moving on to the examples. Many are called, but few are chosen. Somebody ate my sandwich, and no one wants to hear about my health problems. So, in this video, we have seen about nouns, pronouns, determiners, and indefinite pronouns. I hope this video will be helpful for you to learn about the above mentioned grammar concepts. Thank you, students. Have a good day.